Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Sri Mahavir International School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home and also enjoying the online classes of our school. So students, today I am back with my new video and going to teach you English grammar chapter number 3, pronoun. Pronoun. What is pronoun? First we learn the definition of pronoun, that what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. Pronoun is a word. Okay, words. Some words including in pronoun which use instead of noun. Instead at the place of noun. Beta, in my previous video, I taught you about the noun. As you all know that all the naming words are called noun. On the earth, every person, place, thing, animal having some name. And when these all having some name is called noun. So, if we know the noun, if we identify a noun in any sentence, we can easily convert it into a pronoun. So, pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. Some words are there and which are used instead of noun. We will understand it with some example here which is given in a sentence. Jaideep is a very hard working boy. Jaideep is a very hard working boy. First we identify the noun from this sentence. Jaideep is here noun and boy is here noun. Beta, Jaideep and noun. Jaideep and boy both are noun. Jaideep is proper noun and boy is common noun. Okay. So we come to know that Jaideep is a boy. So what we do to replacing Jaideep? We just write here, he is good at studies as well as in sport. So we are talking about the Jaideep. Jaideep is a boy. We used instead of Jaideep here he because he is a boy. Get it? His brothers admire him. His brothers admire him. Okay. So him is here also noun because Jaideep is a boy and we use instead of Jaideep as him as a object. Okay. Both of them would like to follow in his footstep. Okay. So Jaideep brothers follow him in his footstep. Whatever Jaideep want to do in his life, similar the follower of his brother. Okay. His brother also want to follow him. I hope you understand what is pronoun here. That these highlighted word are pronoun here which use instead of the word Jaideep or the brothers. Okay. Here the word he and him take place of Jaideep while them is used instead of his brother. So them is used for brothers. He and him used for Jaideep. Jaideep is a subject pronoun and him is a object pronoun. Okay. The noun which is replaced by a pronoun is known as its antecedent. क्या बोलते हैं हम इसे? The noun which is replaced by a pronoun is known as its antecedent. Antecedent means correlated to. Okay. So now this is a proper way to understand the pronoun, that the word which we used instead of noun. The word which we used instead of noun is called pronoun. There are various types and kinds of pronoun. Let me learn. Pronouns are of different kinds. Let us revise what you have learned. Let's see. Here we can see various kinds and parts of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, impassive pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun. Let's do again the revision. You have to pronounce it with me. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, impassive pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, indefinite pronoun and relative pronoun. Let's do a brief explanation of each kinds and types of pronoun. Okay. The pronouns I, me, she, her, he, him, you, we, us, it, they and them come in the place of people, animal and thing. So they are called personal pronoun. Okay. So it is very important that we have to learn the examples of the personal pronoun. So what are the example of personal pronoun here? I, me, she, her, he, him, you, we, us, it, they, them. So these all are called beta personal pronoun. Like I is a subject as a first person and the object of I is me. She is a third person and the object of she is her. He is a third person and the object of he is him. You is a second person. We is a first person and first person object is us. It is a third person. They is a third person and the object of the third person of they is them. Okay. For example, the boys are lazy. Their teacher has given them a lot of homework, but they are not interested to completing it. So the highlighted words are personal pronoun. Let me clear it. These boys. So these boys here use as a they. Okay. These boys are lazy. Their teacher has given them we use here for the these boys. Okay. A lot of homework, but they are not interested to completing it. It here used for the homework. Okay. So these boys use as a third person they and the third person object is them and third person it. It is a homework. So homework we use as a it as a pronoun. Okay. The above sentence, the pronoun it replaces the noun homework. Okay. It is clear it. While these boys is an antecedent of the pronouns they and them. What is antecedent here, beta? Persons agree with their antecedents in gender, number and person. So which are correlated to gender, number and person is their antecedents. Note that we use they when the pronoun is the subject of the verb and them when the act is an object. I clear it here in this paragraph that they is used as a subject and them is used as a object. I hope beta you understand it. Now come to the next. The pronouns mine, are, her, hers, it, theirs and yours. I am again repeating these examples. The pronouns mine, are, his, hers, its, theirs and yours are used to show position. Position means here ownership. Ownership. Okay. Possession means here ownership. Okay. Owner. जब हम किसी के मालिक होते हैं, that is ownership. So they are called possessive pronoun. So the word which expressing or replaced by the noun as showing the ownership of something, that is called possessive pronoun. Let me clear with the example. Jessie has a small zoo in her house. Okay. That cat is hers. So Jessie is the owner of small zoo. Okay, Jessie is the owner of small zoo. Okay, so all the animals which are keep in the zoo is belong to her. Okay, so she is a owner of all the animals. So the cat in the zoo belongs to hers. So hers are used for the Jessie. Again I am repeating. Jessie has a small zoo in her house. So who is the owner of the small zoo? Jessie. Okay. And whatever the animals keep in the zoo, all are belong to the Jessie. So that cat is hers. Hers use up just because of the Jessie. Jessie is a girl and the possessive pronoun used as a ownership and the girl and the cat is belongs to hers. The decision is yours to make. Okay, the decision is yours to make. So whatever the decision is taken, it is yours. It is yours. के वो उसका खुद का है, अपना सेल्फ का है. Okay, so possession is used for the ownership and for the self. I hope beta you understand these two type. Again I am repeating. Personal pronoun. The example of personal pronoun is here: I, me, she, her, he, him, you, we, us, it, they, and them. Okay, these all are personal pronoun. Okay, we can see these personal pronouns are divided into a persons. Okay, there are three persons in English: first person, second person, third person. First person includes I and we. First person includes I and we. And what are the object of I and we? I object is me, we object is her. Now second person is you. Okay, then third person is she and object of she is her. Third person is he and the object of he is him. Then third person is it, they, and the object of they is them. I hope you understand the personal pronoun. Beta, to understand it properly, first you learn all the example of the personal pronoun. Then you can easily fill the exercise if you learn all these examples properly. Now come to second. Second is possessive pronoun. The example of possessive pronouns are mine, ours, his, hers, it, theirs, and yours. Mine's represent for I, ours represents for we, he represents for boy any, his represents for he, hers represents for she or any girl, its represent for any animal and thing, theirs represent for they, and yours represent for you. So these are the words which show the position in any sentence is called personal pronoun. Here one exercise is given to you. You have to fill it yourself. If you have any query, then send it to me in comment box. Now come to the next point. Look at these sentences. You can see here some sentences. This is my book and those are Rajiv's book. This is my book and those are Rajiv's book. Okay. Pronouns that are used to point out the object which they refers to are called demonstrative pronoun. Some pronouns which are referring to used to point some object. Okay. Pronouns that are used to point out some object. किसी को हम point out कर रहे हैं. So the word which we are using is called demonstrative pronoun. First we learn the examples of demonstrative pronoun that are this, that, these, those. Here some box given here. Let me learn. We use this and these to indicate the object that are nearby. Beta, this and these is used when we point out something which is near to us. Okay. While that and those are used for objects that are far away. Something which are having a distance with us, which are very far for us, we use that and those. A less commonly used demonstrative pronoun is yonder. क्या बोलते हो उसे? Yonder. Okay. So I hope you understand demonstrative pronoun. Now next. Whom did you call up? Whom did you call up? Which of these boxes is yours? What is the name of that girl? So now we are indexing something. Okay, indexing someone. Indexing the noun we can say. Okay. Pronouns that helps to ask question are called interrogative pronoun. Pronouns that helps to ask questions are called interrogative pronoun. Let me clear it. When framing question, who or whom is used for a person or a group of people, what is used only for a thing, and which is used for a person or an object is called interrogative pronoun. When we asking some question, and in the question we use who or whom. What? Who or whom to use for a person or a group of people. Okay. And what is used for anything and which is used for any person or an object, it is called interrogative pronoun. In this video, you may learn about that what is pronoun and its four kinds of pronoun, that are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Beta, you read the book, okay? Read what is personal, possessive, demonstrative and interrogative pronoun, their example, okay? Solve the practice exercise which is given in your book. If you have any query, write it in the comment box, okay? Bye bye beta, have a nice day.